windy and breezy out here today. But anyway, I decided to come to Kroger and see if I could find me some pineapples for a decent price. I think they was like two for $5 the last time I came. And I'm gonna can me some because I don't want them to run out. Yeah, they two for $5, so I think today I'm gonna get like four. Oh shoot. I think I'm gonna grab me a lemon. Did I add lemon juice to mine the last time? I don't know. I'm gonna add a tad bit to it. Girl, these lemons are 79 cents each. Where's the apples at? Oh no, they down here. The reasons why I wanted to can my pineapples because it's gonna be a lot of shortages going allegedly. And I like to have myself stocked up. And lately I haven't really been stocking up the way I need to. So yeah, I'm gonna restock my pineapples. More pineapples, y'all. And my goal is to water bath can them. I really don't know if I have that many 16-ounce jars. I know I have plenty of 8-ounce. So I might have to put them in 8-ounce jars, which I really don't normally do. I already have sugar at home so I can make my little simple syrup. My simple syrup, I normally, for every 6 cups of water, I add a cup of sugar. So I'm going to use my moringa today. And yeah, I pretty much have everything else I need. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice. But yeah, I'm going to have to go ahead and use my little small jars. That way I can just go ahead and fill my can up with them. That's all I can do, girl.